morning to all of you. My name is Sakshi Srivastava, and today my topic is death penalty should be abolished or not. It is very hard to select that death penalty should be there or not. I've researched many books and videos to get my answer. And trust me, this topic had no conclusion in any book or university. But I came up with my answer, and that is I am for selective death penalty. I'm against to abolish death penalty. But for whom? Who hurts my sovereignty of the country? Who don't have any religion? Who don't have any humanity to killing people? Who don't have heart and rape girl, child or woman? They just come to hurt the national integrity and sovereignty of my country. Death penalty should be there. I'm not going into the type of capital punishment and facts. I'm going to talk here about India. Article 21. Right to live and liberty, right to privacy, which says committing suicide is also a crime. By taking a life, the person has no second chance to change. The Human Rights Commission strongly opposes capital punishment. And I also partially against of death penalty. But for terrorism, I am not. For rape cases, I am not. We give chance to those people who have left humanity. We give second chance who killed any specific person because they hated. But we can't give chance to Kassav, who killed 72 people with no reason. We can't give chance to Nirbhaya criminals, who raped a girl because they wanted. Many people give advice like we can give punishment which is more harsh and more painful. Here I want to ask that what is the one thing you are afraid of? I think for me is death. We all have fear of death. That's why we do anything to save someone's life. We know that particular person is in pain, they are suffering, but we choose to save their life. In starting, there was no death penalty for rape cases, but now we have. It is very easy to say that we can give punishment like cutting their legs, hands, whatever, and we can torture them in daily basis. But here I want to ask that do you want a guy who raped a girl live his life? I am against of it. Death punishment is very harsh. And death punishment gives an idea that what is law of capable of doing. Do you want a life who's criminal who rape a girl? This is very painful for victim's family also, who know that their daughter is suffering, who know that criminal is alive. They are not satisfied of torturing anyone. They just want to kill that person who killed his daughter or son or father or mother. Ask victim family this question, that what should we do with criminals? Their answer will be death, not a torture life of them. There are many times where victim family or victim is not able to heal the pain because criminal is alive. You can see the example of Nirbhaya mother who just want justice, who just want to kill criminal who killed her daughter brutally, who says that capital punishment is very easy for criminals. That will be and is always a big afraid and big punishment in whole world. And the state has duty to take away their life, not for revenge. I am repeating, not for revenge, but for a larger message. And last, I want to conclude that death penalty should be there. So everyone can think thousands of times before committing a crime. Many people say that we live only one life. After that, there is no life, no heaven, no hell. There is only karma. And for me, my karma is Supreme Court, High Court, District Court. And I'm proud to be an Indian who have well settled decided punishment for crime. Thank you.